hair's not much better.
Gabriel.
Because it got wet. We called him Superman like yesterday. And Rick Astley.
And begin.
Fashion show.
I think she's
He's
pretty much
videotaping, he's not
like-
taking a picture.
And you're on.
Like you.
How exciting.
I got poop. It's poop in the floor.
Oh, there is poop on the floor.
I gotta get
And
it.
I step on it.
You stepped on it?
Oh, she did.
Good thing you're a